What's up YouTube, this is Victor on the Let Me Explain show, and today I'm going to show how I can repurpose a t-shirt. So this is a t-shirt that was an off print. In other words, the design didn't come out too good, and also the client wanted a change in it. So what I'm going to do, instead of just dumping this t-shirt, I'm actually going to repurpose it by adding a bit of color. I'm sorry I didn't show the process where I have the ink on the screen, and so what I have is opaque ink by this type of by Speedball. So this is actually the opaque fabric ink, and I've got blue and yellow, as you can see. So I'm gonna go straight into it and show you how I cover this up. Now my screen is blocked into a rectangle, sorry, into a rectangle, and that's what I'm going to use for the screen. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so the t-shirt is laid out, and I'm going to grab my screen and just lay it over the design, the previous design, just like that. Now what I'm doing is I'm using one squeegee. So this is the rubber tool that I use to pull the ink with, and if you could see it clearly, there's yellow on that side and blue on this side. So I'm using the same squeegee just to get the different color effects on t-shirts, on different t-shirts, sorry. You could also use two different squeegees so that you have cleaner colors, but I really want my colors to mix up, so I'm gonna go for it. I'm not using the traditional method of printing by pulling in one direction. I really want this to be an abstract, almost like a painting. So I'll pull, then I switch to the blue side, and pull, I really want to get the corners. Just make sure you get the corners nice and tight. Now when you use this method, I would recommend you put something inside the t-shirt so that the ink doesn't bleed over to the other side. I haven't done that because I'm aware of the pressure I'm giving it. So I've really mixed up the ink. Now is looking very green, which will be ideal for what I want to do. So there we go. I did miss a spot over here, but fortunately there was no print on it, so that's fine. And with these gaps, I actually like them because I can fill them in with a brush later and really create a nice effect to the painting. Alright, we're gonna do a second one. So you can also use this method if you buy t-shirts that are already printed on and you just want to redo it. Usually organizations might have t-shirts left over from a campaign or something, and you could pick a couple up and just make repurposed t-shirts. There we go. There we go. So with this one, I might have to redo it because I can still see a bit of the writing in it. What I've also done previously is do it in black first and then put color over it. But just as a demo on how to repurpose, I don't mind it showing through because I'm going to add more stuff to it anyway. So here's an example of one I've worked over, and as you can see, it does have a bit of specks around it, but this is the color coat I put over it, and the whites did cover up pretty good, but this one had a black print under it. So depending on what color ink you're starting off with, this t-shirt had black on it, so I did a black background first and then I put color over it. So this one came out pretty cool. I kind of like it the way it is, but I'll give it some time, think about it, and then see if I want to add anything more to it. But so far so good. I really love the effect of the paint right there. Awesome. Alright, this has been Victor on the Let Me Explain show. I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope you have a beautiful day.